Have you ever wondered how to connect with your local community? Look no further than Netclan, a hyperlocal networking app designed to bring neighbors together, foster local businesses, and promote community events. The first thing to know about Netclan is that it's specifically tailored to your neighborhood. It's an app that brings you closer to the people, businesses, and events in your immediate vicinity. It's all about rediscovering and engaging with your local community. The second point to consider is your customizable profile. When you embark on your Netclan journey, you'll create a profile that reflects who you are, your interests, and how you want to engage with your community. With the ability to upload a profile picture and customize your visible information, it's never been easier to let your neighbors know a little bit more about you. Thirdly, you have local group pages. These are dedicated spaces for your street, neighborhood, or any interest-based activity you can think of. These group pages serve as community hubs where members can plan meetings, share messages, and discover ways to get more involved locally. The fourth notable feature is the nearby notifications and emergency alerts. This is a fantastic function that allows you to be in the loop about relevant posts, emergency situations, and events happening near you. It's a wonderful tool for spontaneous meetups, asking for help, or for discovering local gatherings at a moment's notice. Finally, the fifth and perhaps the most attractive aspect of Netclan is that it's absolutely free. There are no subscription fees or charges to worry about. You can start connecting with your local community right away using all the core features the app has to offer. In summary, Netclan is a hyperlocal networking app designed to help you engage with your neighborhood. With its customizable profiles, local group pages, nearby notifications, emergency assistance, and being completely free to use, it's the perfect tool to discover what's happening right on your doorstep. So, why not give it a try and start networking with your local community today?